Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to buy Bitcoin on Ledger. First, make sure your Ledger device's firmware is up to date for optimal security and functionality. Then, open Ledger Live and install the Bitcoin application onto your device. Finally, connect your Ledger hardware wallet to your computer using the provided USB cable. This ensures a secure connection for your transaction. Now, let's initiate the purchase. Open the Ledger Live application on your computer and find the Buy/Sell section. From there, select Bitcoin or BTC as the cryptocurrency you want to acquire. You'll then choose your preferred payment method, such as a bank transfer or credit card, and enter the specific amount of Bitcoin you wish to buy. Next, it's crucial to confirm your transaction details. Carefully review all the information displayed on your computer screen, including the amount and fees. Then, look at your Ledger hardware device. It will show the exact transaction details, which you must physically confirm by pressing the buttons on the device. This step ensures the security of your purchase. Once confirmed, your purchased Bitcoin will be sent directly to your secure Ledger hardware wallet. The transaction might take a few minutes to process and be confirmed on the blockchain, so please be patient. After successful confirmation, you can easily view your new Bitcoin balance and transaction history within the Ledger Live application. Congratulations on your purchase.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.